Today we will talk about the file management. PWD. PWD is the present working directory. It's like a GPS. It shows the full path from root. So now PWD. So where am I? Slash root directory. So I am in slash root directory. ls list the directory and files inside the root. Here is the file and directory is there. ls have some flag like ls dash l. It's mean long listing. It's give us some magic information. The first column is the permission and the file or folder type. D means it's a directory, and this is the permission for owner. This is the permission for group. Last three are the permission for others. Here we can see the two files and others are directories there. We can see there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 files and folder is there. See in the left side in GUI we can see there is 10 files and folders, but there also a hidden file and folder exist. So how can we see the hidden file and folders? ls-a, it's called show the hidden file or show the all files and directory. Here now we can see here is a lots of files and directories. These files and folders actually exist in here, but it's an hidden format. How can we understand that it's an hidden? First dot and then the directory or file's name. It indicates that this is hidden, and this is hidden directory. So now we can use combinedly ls al shows the hidden files and directories as well as magical information, so called its directory or file. It's a file. How can we understand this is a file? Because there is no d exist in there. D means it's a directory, and there empty or dash, it means it's a file. So ssh is a directory. So first column indicates that this is directory or this is file as well as the permission of the directory and files. Second column indicates that how many directory inside the parent directory. Like inside the desktop, how many directory? Here it is. There is a 4 directory. There is a 2 directory inside the document. We'll see in later. Third column indicates the owner of this directory or file. Column is indicates the group name. Fifth column indicates the size of this file, and this is the last modification date of this file or directory, and this is the name of the directory. Now we'll see there is a file size. That's something we are not able to read as a human. So how can we read these things? So ls minus la is. Before we see the uses of la. Now what is the AIS? AIS means it's an human readable format. So now press the enter. Now we can read this file size. This is 41 megabit. Now we will verify how many directory exist inside the desktop directory. Go inside the desktop. How can we go? We will use cd command. Cd means change directory. It's something we move one directory to another directory. We can use cd in two ways. One is using absolute path and second one is use relative path. So if I put the pwd command, now we are inside the root directory. Desktop is the directory that exists inside the root directory. Since I am inside the root directory, I can put just relative path and we can easily move to the desktop folder. What if I want to go with the absolute path? So I just put cd and we'll write the full path, root and then desktop. Now here I am inside the desktop. So now we will verify how many directory exist inside the desktop. ls -a. See, here is the 4 directory. These two are by default, it's an hidden, and this one and this one is the actual directory. So here we can see the 4. Now we will create one another directory to see what happened. Do mkdir. Mkdir we use to make a directory. So now mkdir and then test2. So what if again I list the desktop directory, l, we can see here is the 5. That means inside the desktop there is a 5 directory, ls -al, and then we can see inside the desktop there is a 3 or created directory and 2 is by default. Now we mastering the cd command. Cd means change directory. I can go anywhere using cd command. I am going to desktop directory. Inside the desktop, how can we make the folder or directory? We see previously mkdir and then simply put the directory name. But how can we make a folder, parent and child, in one click? Use p flag. It's an -p and then I'm going to create 2 or 3 folders or directory in one command. So test3 child test, and inside the child test we will also create another directory, test. Now if we list ls-l, so we can see the test3 directory is there and there is 3. That means inside the test there is a 1 created and 2 are the by default. So now we are going inside the test3 ls-al, there is the 3 directories there. Okay, so inside the child there are also one directory, child. So ls-al child test, the child directory is there. So just go inside the child and now we are put the pwd command. Pwd shows that we are inside the root, desktop, child3 and child test. One magic command is there. So when we log in with the user, and user are owned by home directory and root user own /root directory. That's why if we put the just cd command, it will go user account folder or directory. So we just put the cd command, it's you return where you are staying, it doesn't matter. If we put the cd command, by default you will redirect it inside the user home directory. So I'm inside the root directory. Okay, pwd/root. Today what we learn: ls minus als pwd cd. When you navigating the file and folders, 3-4 command are the magic. The production engineer nothing use rather than this 3 or 4 command. So we will not read or studying more command. We will try to study minimum command with better outcome.